Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I make my banana smoothie. Every time when I make this smoothie on my social media, everyone asking me for the recipe, and here it is. You will need a glass of blender or this personal cup, one banana, and they come sweeter if they are old, just in case. Cinnamon powder, milk, one of your choice, almond milk, rice milk, or the regular one, cow milk, and water. Okay guys, in the blender glass we are gonna be adding the banana into small pieces, and I'm adding the cinnamon powder to taste. Yes, I love cinnamon. A little bit of milk, and the rest just water. We cover it and let's blend it up. And here we have the smoothie. It's very creamy as you see it. And of course, you can add more cinnamon on top. And you can also share your smoothie in another glass. What do you think, guys, about this recipe? I hope you like it. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And now let's share something with my pup. Well, she's sleepy today, so let's leave her alone. Her name is Candy, she's my coton de Tuliar, and she has own videos all Saturdays, and she's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.